What it is, YouTube? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's good with you? Ooh. Well, since you're here now, thank you for watching another video. Tune into the channel. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe. You know, more content will always be rolling. But I know y'all see what I got on here. Y'all see this merch? Hold on. Let me get a good picture of that. Anywho, I'm getting ready to head to Phoenix to go chill with my homeboys. Probably do some little photo shoot or something like that for the car, for the Instagram page or whatever. Follow the Instagram page. But real quick side rant or whatever. If you guys got people like in your lives or whatever, or if you got people that are like doing other stuff, like they're doing Twitch or they're doing gaming, they're doing YouTube videos, they're doing fitness or whatever, anybody that's trying to do something for themselves, make sure y'all support it. So of course, like I said, I got on my brother's merchandise. He has his own YouTube, he has his own Twitch. He be out there clapping cheeks on these peoples, you know, in Call of Duty, Rocket League, even some Fall Guys. And I hate that game. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure you guys see the back of it. It got his Twitch on the back of it. Got his logo on the front. It's clean. Rasta Lion, you know. Us button man. Then that area, you see me? So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Man, hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby, make a ride.
Alright, so as this is titled, Chasing the Smoke. Obviously what that means was I was chasing the smoke, which was coming out of my exhaust because of oil leak. Based on the videos or whatever that you've seen before, you probably already know how I figured it out or what I did to fix it. So basically what I did was a couple different things. I started with the smallest thing, which was the PCV valve. So I changed the PCV valve. Then I changed the oil. Then I changed the valve cover gasket. And I even cleaned out my intake valve. I was like, I'm doing everything to fix this. But, like I said in a couple of the videos before, it was the turbos. So I got my turbos from Precision Auto Works off of eBay. I'm pretty sure it was Vehicular DIY that had suggested them. These things are popping because I'm dog walking cats out here and I haven't even tuned the car yet. So yeah, like I said, figured it out. It was my turbos. Swapped those out. Car is not smoking anymore. It is running right. So yeah, this playlist will be so you guys can see everything that I did in the whole process of going at it hard. Like, I was not, this car was like cheeching smoke. Like, you ever seen a locomotive puffing smoke? That's how my car was doing it. A BMW. That mess don't look good. So basically, did all those parts and everything, got it all fixed up. I still need to get a tune, so I'll shoot a video when I go get a tune. My homeboy Mark said he has a good tuner that tuned his BMW, and he's running like 600 horsepower, wheel horsepower, I think. So I'm trying to get there eventually. Still need fuel and all that other stuff. But yeah, so Once again, appreciate you guys for tuning in to the channel, watching another video, sticking with me. On the way to 100 subscribers. Not too big, but it's a big deal because I get to customize my channel a lot more. So, like I said, like, subscribe, drop a comment. See you in the next video.
Going for 81, rest in peace, Black Mamba. Vegas nights playing card shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit, we all leave. Hear me well, no, I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, deal shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.